So what they are calling it as the UI delegate. See, Swing uses a modified version of MVC that contains the view and the controller into a single local entity. View and controller, because view is updatable, isn't it? As soon as it is updated, controller has to take the care, appropriate care, as well as to be render it on back onto the screen, updated thing. So they are clubbed together. We call it as the delegate. Hence, the model is called as MVC model is also called as UI delegate model. UI delegate. Please go through the explanation. It is there here. Hope it is visible. Otherwise, you can refer to the textbook, standard textbook, chapter 29. Okay. So, for this reason, Swing's approach is called either model delegate architecture or separable model architecture. The MVC connection is also called as model delegate architecture or separable model architecture. So please concentrate, guys. The question can be, you can definitely expect the straightforward question from this module, especially from this part. So the question can be either explain about the MVC connection, or it can be either about or it can be about the model delegate architecture or even separable model architecture. In that case, the answer is same. You are supposed to explain about the MVC connection, okay, along with features of Swing based on the marks. If it is asked for 8 to 10 marks, better you explain the features along with this. Okay. Next concept is about the component and container. Let us see about the component and container. Yeah. Two key items the graphical user interface of Swing contains. One is component, other one is called as the container. Again, guys, it is general knowledge. What do you mean by container? What do you mean by container? Your bag, school bag or college bag, you can call it as a container, isn't it? Because it can carry the components like, what type of components it carries? It can carry the component like textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, or other accessories, isn't it? Right? At the same time, this itself is a component. You agree or not agree? This itself, your bag itself, is a component, right? Component in the sense element, or it's an item, right? So a component is nothing but what? It is any basic material. Now relate this to your Java concept. So any basic material or item which you are going to display on the screen, or which you are going to develop using Swing concept, isn't it? That is what component is. What is container then? Container itself is also a component, but it has got an advantage of carrying the other components along with it. It can hold some other components in it. That is what container is, right? Container, first of all, this itself is a component, and this has got an additional capability of what? Holding the other components in it. Getting no? The same concept will be discussing here, guys. Component and container. So relate your the example, that is concept of bag, your college bag. This itself is an item, so of course it's a component, but at the same time this can hold some other materials in it. Then you call it as the container, isn't it? Like pen, pencil, notebook, textbook, and so on. Now please relate this to your Java program. So a form you can develop, the form, on top of the form you can develop username, a label followed by a text box, then password is a label followed by text box, then buttons like submit, cancel. Now visualize. Yeah, suppose this is the form you are going to develop, right? What does the form contains? It contains a label, say username, followed by it contains a what? Text box. Then it contains another label, password, followed by text box, then buttons like submit, cancel. This is submit button, this is cancel button, say, right? Now, what is component and what is container? The individual item, this label is a component, this text box is a component, another label is a component, this text box is another component, button, submit button is a component, concentrate here, as well as your cancel button is another component. So the outer form, the entire form, this itself is a component. At the same time, this also acts as a container, because it is a container because it is holding different units along with it. Got no? Please watch the video again and again. If you have any doubt, you please ask. Let us continue our discussion in the next video. Please go through these descriptions. Okay, it is there. If it is not visible, it's there at page number 862 of chapter 29 of the standard textbook. Okay, let us continue our discussion later. That is about the how components and containers are defined in Java, especially the swings and all. Okay, let us see them later. Please note down the topics. Please note down the contents what we have discussed so far.